Hey guys, BB here. Let's talk about something close to many hearts. The crazy world of competitive exams. It's a world where dreams are made and sometimes broken, where every moment counts, and every decision can change the course of your future. Kota Factory, a show that's all about this journey, takes us right into the heart of it all. Kota, the city of dreams and some serious stress. This city is a magnet for students from all over the country, each one hoping to crack the code of success. Imagine this: thousands of students all chasing the same goal, cracking tough exams like IIT JEE. The competition is fierce, and the stakes are incredibly high. It's a pressure cooker environment where only the best of the best can survive. It's intense, competitive, and full of emotions. The stress is palpable, and the determination is visible in every student's eyes. They are not just fighting for a seat in a prestigious institution. They are fighting for their dreams, their future. Kota Factory isn't just about exams and ranks. It's about life lessons. It's about understanding the value of hard work, the importance of perseverance, and the strength of character. It's about learning to cope with failure and celebrating success. It's about friendship, pressure, self-doubt, and everything in between. The bonds formed in this crucible of stress and ambition are unbreakable. Friends become family, and together they navigate the highs and lows of this challenging journey. We see students battling not just complex formulas and theories, but also their own anxieties and expectations. The mental and emotional toll is immense, and it's a constant struggle to stay focused and motivated. It's a story that resonates with so many of us, whether we've been to Kota or not. The themes of ambition, struggle, and resilience are universal. We all have our own battles to fight, and Kota Factory captures this beautifully. But hey, it's not all doom and gloom. There are moments of joy, laughter, and camaraderie that make the journey worthwhile. These moments are the silver linings that keep the students going, even when the going gets tough. Amidst the chaos, there's humor, camaraderie, and hope. The students find ways to lighten the mood, to support each other, and to keep their spirits high. These moments of levity are crucial in maintaining their sanity. We see students forming unbreakable bonds, supporting each other through thick and thin. They become each other's pillars of strength, offering a shoulder to cry on and a hand to hold. They share laughter, tears, and those precious moments of victory. The joy of achieving a goal, the relief of overcoming a hurdle, and the pride of seeing their hard work pay off. These are the moments that make it all worthwhile. So, put on your thinking caps and get ready to dive into the world of Kota Factory with me. It's a journey that will take you through the highs and lows, the joys and sorrows, and the triumphs and tribulations of student life in Kota. Trust me, you're in for a roller coaster of emotions and some serious life lessons. Whether you're a student, a parent, or just someone who loves a good story, Kota Factory has something for everyone. So, let's embark on this journey together and see where dreams take flight. Let's face it, exams can be tough. They are a universal challenge that every student faces at some point in their academic journey. The pressure to perform well can be overwhelming, and the stakes often feel incredibly high. Now, imagine the pressure of exams that can make or break your dreams. This isn't just about passing or failing, it's about securing a future, achieving lifelong goals, and meeting the expectations of family and society. That's the reality for students in Kota Factory. These young minds are thrust into an environment where academic excellence is the only currency that matters. They live and breathe competition, constantly reminded of ranks, percentiles, and the limited seats in top colleges. Every test, every assignment, every class is a step towards or away from their dreams. The show doesn't shy away from showing the mental and emotional toll this pressure takes. It delves deep into the psyche of these students, revealing the cracks that form under such immense stress. Remember Vaibhav? Our protagonist, a bright-eyed student who comes to Kota with big dreams. He represents the hopes and aspirations of countless students who flock to this city every year. We see him grappling with self-doubt, anxiety, and the fear of failure. These emotions are not unique to him. They are shared by many who walk the same path. It's a constant struggle to keep up with the demanding schedule, the endless syllabus, and the ever-present competition. The pressure to outperform peers can be suffocating. Sleep becomes a luxury, and stress becomes a constant companion. The relentless pursuit of academic success often comes at the cost of personal well-being. But Kota Factory reminds us that it's okay to feel overwhelmed. It's a natural response to the intense pressure these students face daily. It's okay to ask for help. Seeking support is not a sign of weakness, but a step towards resilience and strength. The show teaches us the importance of mental health, taking breaks, allowing oneself to rest, and recognizing the signs of burnout are crucial for long-term success. Talking to friends and family can provide a much-needed outlet for stress. Sharing one's struggles can lighten the emotional load, and seeking professional help when needed is crucial. Mental health professionals can offer strategies and support to navigate these challenging times. Because in the end, our well-being matters more than any exam. Academic success is important, but it should not come at the expense of one's mental and emotional health. Kota Factory beautifully illustrates this balance, reminding us all to prioritize our well-being. Remember those late-night study sessions with your buddies, cramming for that big exam? Kota Factory captures that beautifully. In the pressure cooker environment of Kota, friendships become lifelines. Vaibhav finds his tribe in Meena, Uday, and Shivangi. They study together, eat together, and share their dreams, anxieties, and even Maggie packets. They celebrate each other's victories and offer a shoulder to cry on during setbacks. These friendships are a reminder that we don't have to go through tough times alone. Having a support system, people who understand what you're going through, makes all the difference. They become your chosen family, your cheerleaders, and your partners in crime. Kota Factory shows us the power of peer support. It teaches us to lean on each other, to celebrate the little joys, and to offer a helping hand when needed. Because sometimes, all it takes is a friend to remind you that you're not alone in this journey. Section 4. Finding yourself in the maze. A journey of self-discovery. Kota isn't just about exams. It's a melting pot of dreams, aspirations, and self-discovery. As students navigate the academic pressure, they also embark on a journey of finding themselves.
Take Vaibhav, for instance. He arrives in Kota, unsure of his own capabilities. He doubts his decision to leave home, questions his potential, and struggles to find his footing. But through his experiences, his failures, and his interactions with others, he slowly begins to understand himself better.
We see similar journeys of self-discovery with other characters too. Meena, initially driven by his family's expectations, starts to question his own aspirations. Uday grapples with his feelings for Shivangi while trying to stay focused on his studies. Kota Factory reminds us that self-discovery is an ongoing process. It's about exploring our strengths and weaknesses, learning from our mistakes, and embracing our individuality. It's about finding our own path, even amidst the chaos and confusion. Section 5. Mom and Dad, Expectations and Understanding. This section delves into the intricate dynamics between parents and their children, especially in the high-pressure environment of Kota. Let's be real, parents just want the best for us, right? They dream of a bright future for their children, filled with success and happiness. But sometimes, their expectations can feel like a whole lot of pressure. The weight of their dreams can sometimes overshadow our own aspirations and desires. Kota Factory beautifully portrays the complexities of parent-child relationships in the context of academic pressure. It shows how the pursuit of excellence can strain these relationships, making it difficult for both parties to understand each other.
We see parents making sacrifices, pushing their children to excel, and pinning their hopes on their success. They often give up their own comforts and desires to ensure their children have the best opportunities. But we also see the flip side, the communication gaps, the unspoken expectations, and the fear of disappointing their parents that weighs heavily on the students. These gaps can lead to misunderstandings and emotional turmoil.
The show emphasizes the importance of open communication. It highlights how crucial it is for both parents and children to express their thoughts and feelings honestly. It encourages students to talk to their parents about their dreams, their fears, and their struggles. By sharing their inner world, students can help their parents understand their perspective better. Similarly, it urges parents to listen to their children's perspectives, understand their pressures, and offer support and encouragement rather than adding to the burden. Listening is a powerful tool that can bridge the gap between generations. Kota Factory reminds us that while parental expectations stem from love and concern, it's crucial to find a balance. This balance ensures that children do not feel overwhelmed and can pursue their own passions. It's about working together, supporting each other's dreams, and building a relationship based on understanding and open communication. When both parents and children are on the same page, it creates a harmonious environment where everyone can thrive. The show also illustrates moments of bonding, where parents and children come together over shared experiences. These moments are a testament to the strength of their relationship and the love that binds them. Overcoming challenges together, they learn to appreciate each other's efforts and sacrifices. This mutual respect and understanding are the foundation of a strong, supportive family dynamic. Celebrating successes and learning from failures together, they grow as individuals and as a family. Kota Factory teaches us that the journey is just as important as the destination, and that love and understanding can make all the difference.